Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be customizing your iPhone with the new update. What is this? So let's get into it. So the first thing you have to do is obviously update your phone. So you do this. You go on your general settings, your software update, and then you just install. Now this update does take quite a while, so do something while it's like updating. Altogether it took half an hour to 45 minutes, I would say. For me, I needed to put my phone in charge and just do something else, but that is the first step. So the next step is to actually get the widget app, because that is the main part of the update. So it looks like this, and then that's how you do it. Okay, so the main step to do this is you've got the app, you've got the update, and now you want to have designs like this. So you just go onto the widget app, and then your one will look like the black one, but I've designed all mine, and then again it will look like what the large one looks like. But you just go on to one of these. Let's go on the small one, number 3. You pick your design, whatever one you want, and the font and the tint colour, background colour, there's loads, and then the border if you want a border. So we are going to do that now. And then you save it. So now that you've made the widget that you want and the way you want it, like I showed you, there is different types of apps that you can get if you want different types of designs. But now that you've made it, you need to press on one of your apps, press edit home screen, and then in the corner you should have a plus sign, and at the bottom you should have like 3 dots. You press on the top on the plus sign, and then you scroll right down to the widget app, and then whatever one you've picked, if you've done large, small or medium, you press on that. I've done small, and then as you can see it comes up right there. But if it's not the one that comes up, if you've made multiple ones, you just press on the app, and then you wait for it to load. You pick the one, and then it will look like that, if that makes sense. I'm hoping it does, but it's pretty straightforward, that bit. So on to the making the little cute icon. So what you do first is go into the shortcuts app, this one here, and then as you can see I've got loads of different ones, but I'm just going to show you with one of these. You press on that, the add sign, press add action, and then you press scripting, this one, then open app, and then it says open choose, so you press on the choose, and it gives you all the app options that you have on your phone, or if it doesn't come up with an app that you want, you can search it in, but you have to have it on your phone. So let's do Instagram. So then you've put your link, what you want it to go to, you press the 3 dots, and then you put the name in, or you could call it whatever you want, then add to home screen. When it gets to add to home screen, this is when you can add your new picture and design. If you want more in depth, you can draw your own design and everything, but I've got these little cute pasta ones. So for Instagram I had this one. So you could do it like this. And then it just says add, and then it's added to your home screen. And then to remove the other app, you don't have to delete it. The update has gave you a thing called app library. So you just edit your home screen again, press on the Instagram or whatever one you put, and it says delete app or move to app library. Now when you move to app library, it goes to here, all of the apps here. So if you do need it, or if you don't like the layout of that app and you just don't like it, for some reason that came out in new shortcut. But if that happens, you just go back and edit the thing. So we will go delete this, and then shortcuts, and then you press on add, check if it's all right. So obviously you need to double check, I obviously didn't. So now it looks like that, but if you don't like it, you can just drag, go on your, where's social, and then drag the, and then drag it out again. So it looks like that. But another way you can design your apps is, let's delete this one, is going back into the shortcuts app, and let's just do it for this one again, Instagram. And for some of them I did this so it looks more nice. So you just scroll down and you can actually pick an image instead of the logo, and then zoom in or zoom out, whatever you want, then add, and then it looks like that. So whatever design you like, that's whatever one you can go for. So yeah, the next and final tip is a quick and simple one, so let's get into it. So the last and final tip is if you want to hide any pages or apps. Not one to judge, but if you do want to hide anything, you just press edit home screen, and then you know them three dots I was on about before, you press on them, and then as you can see that there's 2 slideshows. Now how many slideshows you've got, or like swipe thing, that's how many I expect that will come up. So if you have some apps that you don't want your parents to see or your friends, you just press the tick button, and then the tick button, so it does a little circle without the tick, and then you go back and then it's not there. But the only problem is, as you can see, that you've still got the layout. Or you did. It must not do it anymore. So it looks like that. So there's no... But when you go back onto it, edit, you can tick it again, and then it will be there to look like that. So yeah, that is pretty much how you customize your new iPhone, kind of. It's not new, but it's kind of new. It feels new to me because like there's loads of different designs. But let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below, because I love interacting with you guys. And if you're new here, hit subscribe. I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos just like this one. So yeah, bye.